question number 5. So question number 5 wants us to graph the line from the equation, all right? So whenever you're graphing a line, guys, you need to make sure that your equation is in the form y equal mx plus b, where we know that y represents the total, m is your slope, and b is your y-intercept, okay? So first things first, what you need to always remember, guys, is that you always graph your y-intercept first, okay? So you always graph y-intercept first, okay? So when we look at this equation, what do you think our y-intercept is? Our y-intercept is that -1. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to look for my y-axis. So this is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. And I'm going to go on my y-axis to -1. So -1 would be right here. That's on my y-axis. Okay? So now I'm going to apply my slope. So if you remember, slope tells you direction, all right? Because slope can be evaluated by doing rise over run, all right? Where rise tells you if you're going either up or down, and run tells you if you're either going left or right, okay? Almost 99.9% of the time, you're going to the right, okay? So what is my slope of this equation? My slope is the -2, all right? So that's what my slope is, -2. However, I don't see a denominator. When you don't see a denominator, you assume it's a 1, all right? So only the number at the top is negative. So if we have a -2, do you think I'm going to be going up or down? And I'm going to be going down twice, all right, because it's a negative number. And again, almost 99.9% of the time, you're going to the right. So I'll go here, I'll start right here, and then I will go down 2 times, and then to the right once, okay? And there we go, we have our solid line, and then we just draw our line. And that is it, okay? So let's try the next one. So again, what do we always graph first? The y-intercept. All right, so we go to our y-axis, okay? So, and then we're going to go to -5. So that would be about right here, okay? So now I'm going to apply my slope. And again, we know that slope tells us direction using rise over run. Where rise tells you what? What direction? Up or down. And run tells you yup, left or right, and 99% of the time we're going to the right. Yup. So my slope here is 2/3, okay? So again, we don't have to write it as a fraction because it's already a fraction. If it's a +2, do you think it's going to be going up or down? I'm going to be going up 2 times. And then again, almost 99% of the time, you're going to the right. So we'll be going up 2 times, right 1, 2, 3, up 2 times, right 1, 2, 3, and then up 2 times again, right 1, 2, 3. Okay? And again, we'll just draw that line. Okay? So if we draw that line, bam, there we go. We have our line. So again, guys, just like